MTD CNC Global are here at TIMTOS, looking at loads of machines this week. These two you have on the stand, SFM flatbed lathes, huge machines. Arthur, tell us about the one behind us.
Our company is very confident in our flatbed machine because we have many years experience, more than 59 years experience, yes. So we are very confident in our length. And one of the most special thing is our high precision and heavy duty.
Okay, when you say you're confident because you've sold many machines as well and they last a long time, is that why?
Yes, because we have ever met a variety of customers that have many different questions and problems to solve. So from many years ago to now we have solved many problems. So not only the standard machine, we can also modify our standard machine to meet many customers' demand.
So when we look at these machines, are they all made here in Taiwan? Everything made here in your country?
Everything made in Taiwan.
And it's come on a lot in recent years, hasn't it? I mean, as a manufacturer here in Taiwan, you're now producing top quality machine tools.
Yes, we're producing this day.
This one's got a 6 meter turning length. How big does the SFM range go?
We can make from 1 meter long to 20 meters long. Just tell me the size of your working piece and we can make the best choice for you.
What about the swing over the bed? How big does that go?
The swing from 730 millimeters to even 3 meters.
3 meter swing, wow. And you got a turret on this machine as well.
Yeah.
Is that common? Do you have all your machines with turrets, or have you got other options?
We have many options, accessories just for customers to choose. And it's common to have turret in our machine.
Tell me about the chuck on here. This is a little bit different. This is a magnetic chuck, is it?
Yeah, you're right. It's a magnetic chuck, not like the simple chuck. For the simple chuck, they have the chows to catch the working piece. And with this magnetic, when we can catch the working piece more tightly.
So you're pulling it back towards the chuck.
Yes.
The actual access to these machines is great as well. You've got 3 or 4 doors on here that all open, that concertina. That the access is easy and good.
Good. Yeah, it's easy and good.
It is good. And what about your control system here? You've got a Siemens on, but I've seen these with Fanuc too. Do they come with the options?
Yeah, option. We have many. We provide many choices for customers. You can choose Siemens. You can also choose Fanuc, just as customers like.
And it's not only the enclosed machines that you have. There's a machine over here which obviously has no guarding around it at all. Is that something you offer as well?
In general, our company are famous on 2 kinds of machine. One is this CNC machine, CNC length, and another one is a more conventional one, is manual one. Yes.
Okay, great stuff, really interesting. Fantastic to see such huge machines here at TIMTOS. These are from SFM, built here in Taiwan, top quality, heavy duty turning the order of the day here. Thank you very much, Arthur, for your time, thanks.
Thank you.